Welcome again, students. In the first topic, we covered the different states of matter, the 5 states of matter, that is solid, liquid, gas, plasma and the Bose-Einstein condensed state, and how it is divided on the basis of chemical characteristics also. Now we will be studying in detail what is the physical and the characteristics of particles of matter. Matter is a thing, so it is made up of some kind of particles, and I know we have already studied that in solid there are molecules, in liquid also there are molecules, in gases also there is molecules. So we will be studying about the characteristics of all the particles and molecules inside solid, liquid and the gaseous states of matter. Now first is the physical nature of matter. Physical nature means how does it look? How does a matter look? So matter is made up of particles. What is particles? Whatever things, जो भी छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है, स्मॉल साइज के होते हैं, मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, वो होते हैं पार्टिकल्स. So suppose when I am dissolving salt in a glass of water, I have taken a glass of water and I have dissolved salt in it. What happens? The particles of that salt will get completely dissolved in that water. Yes. So what is happening? Where is that salt going? It is dissolving inside the water. What is in the water? That so that the salt is getting into it. What is happening? What is the mechanism behind it? Water is a liquid form. Liquid has molecules, but the molecules are a bit far away from each other. So there is some gap between the molecules. So what happens? The particles of this salt will get inside the space of that molecules and it will be dissolved in that water. Next is size of the particles. Now size of the particles, even one small pinch of a particle contains many amount of atoms or molecules inside it. Now I have taken an example. Suppose you are taking a drop of ink. Take a beaker, take a glass of water and drop just a drop ink into it. What happens? The color of the water will be blue in color. I am taking blue ink, so the water will change into blue color. Now what you have to do, take another glass filled with water, again filled with same amount of water, and just again take one drop of this ink into the second glass of water. Now what is happening? As much times you are taking this ink into the water, mixing ink into the water, the color of the water will be blue in color only. The color of the water will never be colorless because you are putting some particle of ink into it. So the size of the particle is so much that how many times you dilute it. Dilute means उसको कितनी बार तुम mix करते रहो और भी पानी के साथ, its color will remain blue only if you are using blue. I have taken here again an example of KMnO4. What is KMnO4? KMnO4 is a compound. It is potassium permanganate. K is potassium, Mn is magnesium, and O is oxygen. So the chemical name of this compound is potassium permanganate. Suppose I am taking potassium permanganate, pinch of potassium permanganate in a glass of water. Suppose I am taking 50 ml of water and I have put a pinch of KMnO4 inside that water. What is happening? The color of the water will change. Now what will be the color of the water? This KMnO4 is purple in color. So first the color of the water will be purple. Now what happens? As much times I will take diluted. Now I have 50 ml of water. Inside it I have put suppose I have put 1 milligram of KMnO4. I have mixed it continuously. I have stirred it, mixed it. The color of the water has turned to purple. Now again I have taken another beaker. It also contains 50 ml of water. Now I am taking 10 ml of this first beaker's 10 ml into the second beaker. Now what happens? Again the color of the second beaker, the color of the water in the second beaker will also be purple. I have done this 3 to 4 times continuously. So at the 5th time or 6th dilution, what happens? The color of the water will turn into pink, but it will remain it will remain as it is only. Means it will be continuously pink, faded pink. First you will get a dark pink, then light pink, then again light colored of pink. But at the infinite dilution, you will get change. The color of the water will be pinkish only. Next, so these are the two physical states of matter. Now coming again to characteristics of particles of matter. Characteristics of particles of matter means characteristics. Every object has some kind of characteristics. Now an object is made up of matter. So matter will also be have some form of characteristics. So what is our characteristics? We can walk, we can breathe, we can run, we can eat food with our hands. So that is our characteristics. So what is the characteristics of particles of matter? The first characteristics of particle of matter is particles of matter is very small. So this we have already discussed that I have taken a glass in which I have put KMnO4 solution. What is KMnO4? Potassium permanganate. I have taken a pinch of potassium permanganate and I have dropped it into a glass of water. Now I have diluted it. Diluted means मैंने उसके concentration को कम कर दिया. So when I am diluting it into another beaker, so as many times I am diluting it, at last I will get a pink colored solution. It will be very light pink in color. Next is particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter के बीच में space होता है. The first example that we took. Suppose I am mixing sugar inside sugar or salt in a glass of water. I have taken 50 ml of water and I have mixed 1 spoon of sugar inside that water. So I will mark the 50 ml of water. Already there is measurement in a cylinder. So 50 ml of water already I have taken. I have put some sugar into it and I have mixed it. Continuously stirring, I have mixed it. Now what happens after mixing also? The volume of water will be 50 ml only. If I am putting 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoon of sugar, 3 spoon of sugar, it doesn't mean that water, the level of the water will rise to 60 ml or 70 ml. 1 ml जो बढ़ता है, it is not equal to 1 spoon of sugar I am adding into it. Why? Because water is liquid. What is a liquid? In liquid, the molecules are somewhat far away from each other. The molecules are far away from each other means there is some space between the molecules. है ना? Molecules के बीच में क्या है? जगह है. So what does the sugar particles do? The sugar particles will first get dissolved and it will get into the spaces of the water molecules. So I have taken water. I have put 10 ml. This is 10 ml of water. I have taken 1 gram of sugar and I have mixed into this water. So it doesn't mean that I will get 11 ml of water solution at the end. At the end also, the level of the water will be 10 ml only. Why? Because the sugar particles are getting inside the space, in the intercellular space of the liquid molecules. The third characteristics of matter is that particles of matter move continuously. Means it possesses some kind of energy to move. Whatever is moving, it requires some kind of energy to move. So these molecules have a form of energy. That form of energy is known as kinetic energy. Anything that is moving possesses kinetic energy. So now example I am giving you that if you are lighting an incense stick. What is an incense stick? अगरबत्ती. आप लोग सब अपने घर पे अगरबत्ती जलाते ही हो. So whenever you are lighting an incense stick, the smell of that incense stick will be spread into entire house. How? Because the incense stick, when you are lighting it, it produces some kind of smoke. The smoke is a gaseous state of matter. Gases have the molecules very far away from each other, so it can move very faster. It can move very faster means it has more kinetic energy. Kinetic energy उसकी ज़्यादा होगी because the molecules are very far away from each other, so it has more space to travel. So its kinetic energy will be high and it reaches the entire house. Next is ink in water. When you are taking a drop of ink and dissolving it in water and stir it for 2 seconds, what happens? The ink will be dissolved in water and the color of the water will change into the color of the ink. Suppose you are taking blue ink, the color of the water will also be blue in color. So this is also because the particles of matter get inside the space between the molecules. Next is CuSO4 in hot water. Why I have mentioned your hot water? Okay, you can even dissolve it in cold water also. But the rate of diffusion. Now, what is diffusion? Diffusion means the same thing. Suppose I have, you know that in liquids the molecules are a bit far away from each other. In solids, the molecules are very intact. the molecules are very closely packed with one another. In liquid, the molecules are far away from each other. In gaseous form, the molecules are very far away from each other. So the intercellular space between solid is very less. The intermolecular space between in the liquid molecules is high, and it is very higher maximum in the gaseous molecules, in the gaseous state of matter. Now when you are dissolving copper sulfate, salt or sugar inside water, what happens? The particles of this substance will get into the space. जितनी मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में जगह होती है उस जगह पे इनके क्रिस्टल्स जाके बैठ जाते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज डिफ्यूजन. नेक्स्ट, copper sulfate in hot water. Now while you are taking hot water, as the temperature rises, okay, now suppose I am standing here, someone is coming and trying to push me. What happens? Some kind of pressure they are applying on me, some kind of force they are applying on me. Naturally I will change my position. I will just stand over here, or I will just move over here. So there is change in my position. Why my position is changed? Because I had some kind of movement in my body. Same way in this molecules also, when you are heating it up, the temperature of the entire surrounding of that matter increases, rises. So what happens? The molecules cannot stand over there. The molecules will try to move over all the places. Whatever surrounding they are having, they will try to move to a space where it is cold. But they will not get a cool atmosphere. So in short, the molecule will continuously move from one place to another. So the kinetic energy will be higher when you are keeping some kind of temperature. Means rise in temperature, the kinetic energy also rises. So both are directly proportional to one another. Now what can you conclude from this characteristics? That the particles possess kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is higher in gaseous state of matter. Particles move faster with rise in temperature. As the temperature of any of the substance rises, the particles inside that substance can move very faster. The molecules can move very faster. In short, as the temperature rises, kinetic energy also gets increased. Next is the particles intermix on their own. Particles क्या होते हैं? अपने आप ही मिक्स हो जाते हैं. When you are taking a spoon of salt and you are trying to dissolve it in a glass of water, just put a spoon of sugar into a glass of water and keep it like that for some time, for 5 minutes or suppose 10 minutes. What happens? After 10 minutes, you can see that the crystals of sugar has been dissolved inside that water. Now when you stir it, now completely the water will be converted into, you taste it as sweet. So what is happening? The molecules of sugar have intermixed with the molecules of water. Intermix means space के बीच में आ जाते हैं. उनकी जो space होती है उनके बीच में वो जितनी भी गैप उनको मिलती है, सारे जो particles होते हैं उस space के बीच में आके बैठ जाते हैं. So that is known as intermix. So particles intermix on their own. They do not need a medium. They do not need a pressure, temperature, external force to get mixed. So they get into space between the particles. Now this intermixing of the particles of two different matter. Liquid लिया, liquid में हमने salt डाला, sugar डाला. What is salt or sugar? It is solid form of matter. So when you are mixing it into it, so it is two different matters are getting mixed with one another on their own. Is called diffusion. This is a very important topic. Note down its definition. It can be asked for exams also. What is diffusion? So in short, diffusion means the intermixing of particles of any two different matters on their own. They do not need any kind of external pressure, external force to get mixed, is known as diffusion. Now, as I have told you, now coming to the four characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have force of attraction. Okay, what is force of attraction? Magnets में होता है ना force of attraction. Same way, these molecules also have some kind of force of attraction. Why? Because of gravity. Particles of matter have force of attraction. Now I have taken solid. This is a solid substance. In solid, you already know that the molecules are very closely packed with one another. Liquids, the molecules are somewhat far and in gaseous form it is very far from one another. Now here the space between two molecules of solid is very less. The space between two molecules in liquid is higher. The space between two molecules in the gaseous state of matter is very high. Now why they are together? Why they are holded together with one another? Because of a force known as the force of attraction. So the force of attraction binds them very closely with one another. So in liquids the force of attraction will be less. In gaseous the force of attraction will be very less. So in solid the force of attraction is higher. In liquids less than the solid. In gaseous it is less than the liquid. Now to make it clear with the four characteristics of matter, I have an example for you. Try to cut surface of water with fingers. Take a bucket filled with water. Try to put your finger into it. Can you put your finger into it? Your finger is a solid state of matter. The water is a liquid state of matter. You can easily put your finger into that liquid form of water. Now try to put your finger into ice. Can you insert your finger into ice? No. Why? Because water is liquid form of water. In liquids, the intercellular space is very high. So the force of attraction will be less. Now when you are inserting your finger inside it, so the force of attraction is less. So the molecules will move very far from each other and you can easily insert your finger inside the water molecules. Now next is, now I have a few assignment for you. Try to answer all the questions. The first question is, when potassium permanganate is added to water after dilution, the color of the solution turns pink. Why? We have already discussed. Why doesn't the volume of solution increases after adding salt or sugar into it? Why? Because of the characteristics of diffusion. The salt molecules will get inside the molecules of water, so the volume of water will not increase. Why does the smell of hot sizzling food reaches us several meters away? Why? Because the particles of matter can move continuously. It is gaseous form of matter, the smell of the food. कैसा होता है? Gaseous form होता है ना, वो पेपर्स फॉर्म में होता है. तो वो क्या होता है? स्टीम होता है. It can easily travel into the mixture of air and it will reach our nose very easily. Next is why a diver is able. Who is a diver? Swimming करते हैं ना, तो diver बोलते हैं. Why a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool? The same principle, it can cut through the surface of water. Why? Because of less force of attraction in the liquid state of matter. Try to answer all the questions from this video only. You will get all the answers for the 4 questions that I have mentioned here.